Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update NPM. What is NPM? NPM stands for Nodes Package Manager. It is an online repository for publishing open source Node.js projects. It is also built into Node.js. So when you install Node.js, it also installs Node's Package Manager. NPM is also a command line utility that is used for installing and interacting with packages and modules. NPM is also used to manage packages and makes it easier for developers to update, to share, and reuse code. Unlike Node.js, NPM gets updated more frequently. So to check the current version of NPM, you need to type in NPM in your command, open your command prompt if you're on the Windows. If you're on a Mac, you can do this on a terminal. Just type in NPM space --v and press enter, and that will give you the recent version of NPM that you've got on your machine, because when you install Node.js, it also installs NPM. So to check that you've got the latest version, you can do an install. So you do an npm space install. If your version is already updated, it will tell you that. So you do npm space install, and then you do npm again at latest space -g. The -g basically means you are installing it globally, because you can either install globally or locally. So if you are installing something that you want your programs to use, then it's best to install locally. If you're installing something that you want to use in your shell or in the command line, then it's best to do it globally. So that's why I've got the -g. So if I press enter, so you can see that it's trying to contact the Node.js site to download the latest NPM version. So if it detects that I've already got the latest version, then it will not install anything. So it's currently checking. So we can now run the npm --v to see the current version after we've done the install. So you type in npm space --v, press enter, and wait for it to, you can see that we've got a new version. We've now got 5.7.1. When we checked before we ran this npm at latest, it was 5.6.0. So this is something you might want to keep an eye on, because they tend to update the version of npm frequently. So every so often you can run this command, npm install npm at latest space -g, to update to the latest version of Node's Package Manager. Thanks for watching, and bye.